How to move a picture freely in Microsoft Word. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Microsoft Word, create a blank folder, click on the file at the top right corner and click on blank document. Then after, at the top in the ribbon menu, go to Insert. There you will see the option of Picture. Simply click on the drop-down menu, choose the option of this device and choose your picture which you want to include it in your document. After that, right-click on the picture, click on Wrap to Text and choose the option of In Front of Text. After that, you will be able to move this picture freely anywhere in your document. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.